Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. My name is Will. This is the Win Me YouTube channel. Quick sales pitch like always. Like, comment, subscribe. It's always really appreciated when you guys do that. So today, like the title of this video says, we're back working on the 2024 Bronco, the Mama Duke's Bronco build. Just to preface, this is not my Bronco. I ordered this thing like a year and a half ago. I was going to take delivery of it, but you know, obviously things change. I didn't really need it anymore, so we got it from my mom. So I've been stashing parts over that time for this actual car, so I figured I'm just gonna do this entire build, but my mom's gonna get to enjoy it. So today, like the title says, we're gonna be doing a new grille on this thing, and we're also gonna be installing the Raptor style grille marker lights. On my old 22 Wildtrak, I did these exact same lights. I did a full installation video on that. It's this video right up here, so I'm not gonna go into detail in this video like I did on that one, but we are gonna install it. But I am going to go into a little bit more detail on how to install this actual front grille. So we need to remove the stock Outer Banks gloss painted grille on this one. If you guys are local to South Florida and you want to buy this grille from me, hit me up. I'll give you a good deal on it. But we're going to be installing a Wildtrak style grille on this one just because I personally like the Wildtrak grille better. So that's what we're going to be doing. I have it in this box right in front of me. Let me go ahead, turn you guys around, and you can check out exactly what we're going to be installing. We got the 2024 S650 looking all sexy over here with the new Whipple supercharger. If you haven't been following that build, I suggest you go check out some of those videos. Then right over here, we got the Outer Banks 2024 Bronco as well. Obviously, black. You know, it seems like I kind of need a Raptor now to go along with the whole vibe. Maybe that's a teaser of what's to come. But yeah, like I said, if you want to pick up this grille from me, let me know. I'll give you a good deal. So in this big ass box that I've been storing for the past year in my garage, we have the Wildtrak style painted front grille. As you can see there, it does come with the letters as well, so I'll have to install those. But let me go ahead, pull this out of the box. I'll put it over here on the workbench so we can start assembling everything. And like I said, on the inside here, I believe it also comes with the lettering. So we'll need to, you know, put that in there. It also comes with some instructions, but that's why you're watching this video, right? Because we're illiterate and we are visual learners. So let's go ahead and get this shit started. So the grille didn't fit in between right here on my workbench, so I had to get creative. So like I said, it comes with the white lettering. We got some extra lettering here. I don't really know why the hell we got that, but we got the regular old Bronco out here, and these are pretty cool because they come disassembled. So if you wanted to paint these, you could just sand them down and paint them. You don't have to remove them off of there. I will say, obviously there's two O's and there's two designated O's. You can obviously base it from like the actual layout on the back. So, you know, the 3 tab one will go in that one, and then obviously the 2 tab O will go where the 2 tab one is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed on here now. They just click into position, and then with the applied hardware, you get like some little screws in there. So you just have to basically line them up and then screw them in from behind. So pretty simple to do. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and then we will tackle removing the stock grille off of the Bronco, which honestly is pretty simple as well. So let's go ahead and get that done. So we got the grille partially assembled now. We got the letters in there, so as you can see, fits perfect, looks just like OEM. And like I mentioned, now we got to go over here and remove this grille. On the inside, they just have these little push tabs that we have to remove, so we can pop all of those out. Just need to use a trim puller tool, and then underneath here, from what I can believe, there's 4 10mm bolts that we have to remove. And then after that's removed, you can just pull this out. The headlights stay in position, and behind here there's like this little piece, like you can see behind here, which is like a basically like just like a little trim piece, and that's held on there with some torque bits. So we'll need to remove that so I can transfer that over to the other grille, because like I mentioned, we're going to be installing the Raptor marker lights, and that kind of compresses and like sandwiches those lights onto the grille. So I'm going to pull this off, and then we can get done with the rest of this whole assembly. So shrouds off, and then like I said, just those bolts on the inside, we just need to pop those off. So as you can see, we got the whole front grille removed, and like I said, it's just like those push pins up there, and then the 4 10mm bolts that just go along here. It literally takes like 10 minutes to remove all that. And like I was mentioning before, this is that little trim part that's right there that's held on with the torque bits. So I need to remove this portion so I can transfer it over here, and then we can install the Raptor grille marker lights as well. So a little bit more disassembly I gotta do, and then I'll check in with you guys and give you an update once I get past this part. All right, so over here we got the Bronco LED shop grille marker lights, Raptor style, for the Wildtrak grill. They also offer these in like a bunch of different grill options. So I could have done it for the Outer Banks grill, but I knew I was going to be switching this out, which is why I obviously went with this kit with the 3 LEDs. So basically, this is a pretty simple install. I've already done a full dedicated video. You can check this out. I'll have a link to that full installation video in the description below. But honestly, you just kind of set these in there. You space them out however you want. I'm going to space them out evenly. I believe it's like 2 off of there, then 1, 3 spaces in the middle, 3 spaces, 2 off the side, 1 right there. You sandwich this in there, then this kind of presses behind it there. You just have to tuck a little bit of the wires out of the way. They give you the supplied grip zip ties. You had the add-a-fuse in there. So I'll show you how I run all of this real briefly, but if you want a full dedicated installation video of this, go check out my other video. Link's gonna be in the description. All right, so we got the lights sandwiched in there. Like I said, 2, 3, 3, 2. And that's how it's spaced out evenly. And like I mentioned on the back, you just use that piece there from the stock one to crimp it together. So let's go ahead and get this back installed. Honestly, you push it in, you line up these little spikes, give it a good push, and it clicks right into position. Then you just got to put those 4 10 mils back in there and the little retainer clips, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so we got it all installed now. As you can see, we got the lights in there. I got it wired and tucked up underneath here. I'm just gonna go ahead and tuck this a little bit later. I just have it wired up just for testing. I did decide to tap into fuse spot number 9. That is for the aux switches. So as you can see, they're off right now. But if we go up in here and then go to aux switch number 4, there you got it. So that looks so much better now. So let me go ahead, just finish all this up, and I'll give you a full walk around. So there it is. We're all wrapped up now. Really simple install, and just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the final product. I really do love these Bronco lights. This is the second set I've ran now. Installation, quality, honestly 10 out of 10. The Bronco lights, super awesome. This is a knockoff Wildtrak style grill. I have a link to this product down in the description below. It's an affiliate link on Amazon, so if you purchase it, I get a little bit of a kickback. So if you do want to buy these, really appreciate it if you use that link and help support the channel. But I would say the quality of the grill is a 10 out of 10. Fitment's about a 9 out of 10. But yeah, really love it. Bronco build is coming together really nice. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think. All right, everyone, so that's gonna do it for this one. Another Bronco modification done on the Mama Dukes build. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Bronco build as well as the S650 build. And yeah, just stay tuned for more content. I got a lot of stuff in the works. So as always, guys, my name's Will. This is the Wimmy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Later, everybody.